can we put music together and how can we connect them? Let's see. Maybe now the main thing you need to do when you want to create a tune or a simple song is you need to get together the instrument that you want, right? So before we start, we need sounds where we want to use which instrument we want. See, like this. See where we go. It's just that. Then we can choose another one. Like say we want that, right? Want to bring this together. But if we run them, just play this first and play the other instrument. As you can see, it plays the two instruments separately. So what we want now is we want them to play together, right? We want to create a short tune or short song. Unless we can make instrument. Let's add more one. Let's pick somewhere here. Check the beat. Okay, now let's say we want to get them all play together, right? Let's say we want that. So what we need to do is get on our panel here where we can choose different choices, different buttons. So let's pick here this one. This will be the one will be responsible playing them all together. That's why it's named play together. And you can just by drag this step under. Now as you can see, if I put it here, you can see all of them are already on the same way of being played. Now let's hear it. Now as you can see, it's all played together. But let's say you want to remove something and you want to play it on the next part after hearing the two instruments together. You only just need them here. See. As you can see, when I remove them from this, let's say this file or this row, and put it under and connect it under them, it will be played on the next part after this first part is already finished. So as you can see now, let's put them together and that. Let's say you can also let's say you want this to continue, right? You want to add another set of instrument to play it so that you create a short song. We need to do is pick a instrument that we want. You can put it here and say here. That's Okay, let's pick somewhere here. Let's say we want that. Yes, see? Like there's, let's pick another instrument. One. Say we want same instrument here and want a different lead guitar. Let's pick here some cheat. They are different weight by instrument. This one is piano, electric guitar. Here. Okay, let's say we want that and want this to be together, right? So the same thing we can do. We can connect them and put them here inside the Pro. And as you can see, it will play now. Play them each part. Yes. Right. You can see if we separate this and put them under, you will see it down down. Okay, see. Now, this can be repeated many times as much as you want. Create the short song or short tune that you want until you're satisfied. This can be go on and go on like on or here, there. It will continue to play them together and see, play them together till are satisfied with fun. Now, I hope you learn something. I hope you learn how to get together all of the music that you want and get them to play at the same time. And this is our third lesson.